Module 11, Phylum Platyhelminthes, the planarian. This is a phylum of worms too, but they have a more flattened body shape as compared to the segmented worms. Therefore, they're commonly called the flatworms. One of the most well-known flatworms is the planarian. Most planarians live in fresh water. They feed on smaller creatures by grabbing them with their mouth, then extruding digestive enzymes to break up their prey. The smaller bits of food then are vacuumed up with their tube-like pharynx that they extend out of their mouth. Then, the food moves to the intestine to be further digested. The intestines of a planarian are one of the most notable features of this creature. They are very branched and are easy to spot. Because the intestines fill up so much of the body, planarians don't need a circulatory system to distribute nutrients around. The body cells can directly absorb it out of the intestinal walls. As compared to earthworms, planarians have a slightly more complex nervous system. The brain is comprised of nerve tissue that branches out to two eye spots. Though these are not true eyes, the eye spots can sense light. Planarians like to move to lighted areas because they feed on photosynthetic organisms. The brain sends out two long nerves along the body. These nerves are connected to each other, kind of like a ladder. The nervous system is so complex that the planarians can taste and smell. They can sense touch, and like I said earlier, they can identify light. Planarians undergo sexual reproduction and are hermaphroditic like earthworms, exchanging sperm with another individual. But they can also undergo asexual reproduction in an unusual way. They have the ability to regenerate. Regeneration is the ability to regrow a missing part of the body. So, a planarian will split itself in half. Then each half can grow a new half, resulting in two genetically identical organisms. In fact, if you were to cut a slit halfway longitudinally, a planarian would grow two tails. Or if you cut the upper half, it would grow two heads. Indeed, these creatures have an amazing regenerative ability.